Danke bafethu. So ama-reports amasha-ke ngoThabiso Munyane lo shi Orlando Pirates ke ukuripotiwe ke one of the most trusted journalists laphana ku-sports bathi was spotted laphana eNaturena kusho ukuthi bambonile eNaturena kusho ukuthi bekazodiscussa i-deal ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi uzoyijoina i-Kaizer Chiefs or not yabo nanokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs im-offera malini i-contract yakhona izohamba kanjani but-ke surprisingly wayithiwa ama-players laphana ku-Orlando Pirates afuna ukujoina i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba uMunyane bam-offer ku-Kaizer Chiefs management yakhe for free yabo. And then uPasi Kamako naye same thing bafowethu, so will be surprising ukubona ama-player ku-Orlando Pirates awu-2 bawa-release ngale yajoina ama-rivals directly straight. What a wow, it's a wow, it's a wow. Yeah, but-ke let's just wait and see ukuthi i-deal will go through or kuzoba nama-terms. Let's just remember ukuthi you can negotiate a deal with a team, but at the end of the day you have to do medicals. Singakhohlwa ukuthi ulokho uMunyane he has struggled with i-injury yakhe usemncane una-25 but i-injury yakhe ustrugglile ngayo for isikhashana, so sobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs uzowaphasa nama-medicals wakhona yabo, ama-test izinto ezinjalo and then sibone ukuthi uzokwazi ukujoina i-Kaizer Chiefs. Marco naye sobona ukuthi because kunegotiate nivumelane but ama-medicals into ebaluleke kakhulu. 2 Orlando Pirates players bazoyijoina i-Kaizer Chiefs this week or next week or just as soon as the transfer window just so maybe sebayijoinile just sebalinde ukuthi baba-announce bavumelene nge-packaging ne-deal nazo zonke izinto around lo deal. Let's wait and see. Thabiso-ke njengoba bengikhuluma ngaye kwenye ivideo ukuthi sekudala adlalela Orlando Pirates ube khona for 13 years ufika na-12 Orlando Pirates uhamba na-25, isikhathi eside kakhulu. Ayikho enye team ayaziyo ngaphandle kwe-Orlando Pirates especially kuma-professional setup, even kuma-junior ranks ukhulele khona. Danko bafowethu.